Let me unbox it. Yeah, just a second. Here we go. And yeah, this. Okay, now let us hold my phone. Okay. Okay, wow, it looks good. It's a good XTouch company. And okay, now let me wrap with the cover. Let me open this. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's a hard. Okay, from here, yeah, this plastic I need to remove. Okay, perfect. I bought this from Amazon for $3.99. It's look good. I searched so many, but I found this was really good, so I just bought it for my Xiaomi phone. Okay. It's hard, no problem. Just it's Aja bhai, yeah, okay. Oh, wow, it's good. It's really like my phone is also rose gold, so I bought this rose gold color. Okay, yeah, it looks like good. Also, the build quality is also feel good. It's type C and yeah, it's fine. 400 में सही है यार, क्वालिटी भी ठीक है. It should be adjust in your ear nicely. Yeah, looks good. Let me check on my phone, then I will upload another video. Okay, if I'll check on my phone, then I'll upload another video. Thank you guys for watching.